Good evening, all. Good evening.
Good evening,
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening to all. So I can see Nabil is sitting with your mom. Hello, ma'am. Hello. And Shweta VP. Lena CR. Baby, can you unmute and say respond to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Rachel. How are you, Rachel?
Fine, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. And Navneet Krishna. Hero. Hi, Navneet. How are you? Stay unmuted all the time. Okay. I want to listen the sound of every student. So this is a very strict instruction to all. Everyone must keep your audio on. Do not mute it. Clear? Yes, you are in 9th standard, so you will understand it very clearly. You know, when I'm dealing with the 2nd standard, 3rd standard students, it's so pathetic. When I'm asking them to unmute, they will mute it again and it's going on a mess. Okay, so Vishnu Shaji, Isha. See, if I'm pronouncing your name not properly, incorrectly, kindly tell me. Hey, Isha, you got a brother? Ihan? Are you Ihan's brother? Isha? Can you listen to me? I think there is some problem with her connection. Eva George, could you please unmute it? I told you already. Nabil, unmute. Unmute. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Stay like this always. Okay. Do not mute. Do not mute. So now I'm back to Isha. Isha, do you have a brother studying in the same school? I think she lost again. She's lost. Yeah. Tell me. Because I remember the curtain. He also came in the same background, so I just have something in my memory. That's why I'm just asking you. And Rohan, can you hear me? Yes. Rohan. Anglio. Anglio. I can see only your forehead. Keep the camera adjusted in a proper position. Let's start. All right. So, a very good evening to all. My name is Priya, and I'm your accent reduction trainer. You got me? So, when I say accent reduction, do you know what is it exactly? Any idea? Navneet, you got a beautiful smile. Okay, so kindly respond. What is accent reduction? What do you know about it? Louder. I'm not able to hear anything. Nabil KM. Nabil KM, any idea? What is accent reduction, baby? What is accent reduction? Keep on asking and nobody is responding. This is unfair. Come on. So I think Rachel got something in her mind. Rachel has something to speak. Rachel, tell me.
No, ma'am.
No, but you looking so confident. I really like that attitude. Okay, be confident always and
Thank you, ma'am.
exhibit the your mind always. Okay, so I will simply tell you, since you people are not responding to my questions, I will tell you accent reduction is something to learn the right pronunciation firstly. Secondly, to adjust our tone. Many times we speak very neutral, or sometimes we tend to have our regional tone, slang in our communication, just uh, like a music. I'm not saying how it is, okay? Maybe somebody will not like it. So the tone is important, the pronunciation is important, and finally, what is it? The speed of our communication, the speed of the dialogue presentation, whatever it is, the question, a statement, an expression, whatever, we should adjust the speed according to the listener and according to the situation. And before I start, I would like to discuss a very serious matter. I know that you are ninth standard students, you are in your adolescent age, which means that you are starting your teenage. So from the childhood, you are developing to some kind of independent thoughts, and that will limit you to learn new things. When there are sessions like this, accent reduction and all, you may feel like, why would we learn this? It is important to learn right accent because once you grow up, you reach your higher education, and there is a time that you need to apply for your jobs and all. Many times you will have to interact with foreigners or any good people, those who are having a similar accent to native speakers. That time, your tone will be judged, your pronunciation will be judged. Mostly, there are chances are there to be judged, and the employability will be a question. So in colleges and all, people call us to train them to improve the skill, accent. So if you're learning this now from this stage itself, this will be a very good advantage for you. And you may feel to imitate me, you may feel to mock me. When I'm teaching you the sounds in accent reduction, you will make fun at me. I know that. It's completely okay. I welcome all the fun and jokes, but not during the learning time. During the learning time, you are supposed to do what I say. But after the class, you can have any fun with me. All right? So everyone must be present with your voice. I want to listen what you're saying at home during the online session. Everybody, unmute. This is my final instruction. So Lena Sia, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Lena, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So it's all about, I told you, it's all about the pronunciation, which means the sound we are articulating.
Okay.
What is articulation of sound? We have this vocal tract. We are making a sound. We are articulating a sound from our chest. The air is coming up and up and coming to this throat. Okay, and it is moving to this vocal cavity in our mouth, adjusted with our tongue movements, and once it is coming to the lips, with some techniques we release it, and there is the clarity of the sound. So to confirm the clarity of the sound, is the vocal tract playing a big role. It's our tongue. Okay, just see this as our tongue, my hand. Imagine that this is your tongue, our tongue, and this part, you can see this part, that's a hard palate. You know the hard palate, right? You are in 9th standard. Do you know that, right? Anyone? Any doubt? What is hard palate? The palate and hard palate? We have 3 parts: alveolar ridge, moving to the hard palate. It's here. You can see it's here, and it's towards this area we have the soft palate. Okay.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you all listening to me? Can you say, respond to me, say yes or no if you are listening? I may feel like you are not online. You have to respond if you are listening to me. You must. Maria, Anglio, Isha, Lena, Rachel, are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you should please respond because I'm standing far away from you and I don't know I must know the feedback. I must get it. If you listen, you should say it. Okay? So what is a hard palate and what is a soft palate and what is alveolar ridge? I hope you know. If you don't know, you just tell me. I'll show you what is exactly it is. Excuse me. So once the air is in the vocal cavity, with adjustment of the tongue and this soft, hard palates and the alveolar ridge, and with the adjustment of lip movements, the air is we are making the clarity of the sound. Okay, so in English alphabetic system, we got 26 alphabet. How many?
26.
How many?
26.
26. Very good. So for this 26 alphabet, we got 44 sounds. We got 44 sounds. And how is it? It is very simple. For these vowel sounds, it has got 20 sounds. 20. For the whole vowel sounds, for the whole vowel alphabets, how many sounds we got? Tell me. 20. 20. We have 5 vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, U. And all these 5 letters has got 20 sounds itself. That's why English pronunciation sometimes we may feel it as complicated. Okay, so do you want to know how we can learn that? You want to know how we can learn that? I'll share a screen with you.
പിന്നെ എന്നിട്ട് ഭ്രാന്തുണ്ട് മാക്സിമം എന്തേനും
So everyone, look at the screen sharing. Look at the screen sharing. Can you see this now?
No,
This is
ma'am.
recording. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Uh,
No, ma'am. ഇതില് പറഞ്ഞു
Do you know Joseph? He has come to see how you're participating.
Ma'am, we can't see the board.
You can't see the board. I'll share it again. Okay. Screen sharing is post. Yes. Now you can see, I guess.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll share
Yes.
again. You know, this is a touch board. So one simple touch unknowingly will create this problem. Okay, now this is correct, right? Huh? Yes. Okay. So what you're seeing here is called IPA chart. What you're seeing here is called IPA chart. Don't be confused. This is very simple. Okay, I'll teach you in a minute. Just learn the terms, okay? When I tell you these names, these new terms, you got to repeat. From there, I want to listen your sound that you're repeating these terms I'm saying, okay? Please.
Yes.
So what is this you are seeing now? We call that IPA chart. Please say it with me.
IPL chart.
IPA chart. Very good. Okay.
IPL chart.
So what is the full form of IPA chart?
Indian Police.
International Phonetic Alphabets. What is the full form?
The National Phonetic
Louder, Isha. Louder. Isha is just simply moving your lips. I know that you are not making noise. Louder.
International Phonetic Alphabet.
Now this is clear. Okay, so like this, you got to speak. Yes. So you can see a lot of symbols here. Whatever you are seeing here in black color is called symbols, and they are called phonetic symbols. What's that?
phonetic symbols.
Phonetic symbol. Roshan Jain. Okay, always keep it muted, unmuted, baby.
Phonetic.
Okay. So Rachel, what is it called? What is the name of this black and white letters? Sorry, black letters. Symbol, phonetic symbols. And for this chart, we say it as phonetic, International Phonetic Alphabetic Chart, IPH chart. Okay. So we know that we have 5 vowel sounds. A, I, O, U. Clear? We have 5 vowel sounds. And these vowels are now in this section. See this? A lot of symbols and a lot of sounds we got. Okay, we have to identify each and every symbol and we should articulate their sound. Have you noticed the word articulating? What is articulating a word, a symbol, a sound? Making it. Just saying the sound, okay? So whenever you are listening to these new terms, these are the jargons associated with this kind of training. In this accent reduction, these are the jargons, and when I'm telling you next time, you should be able to understand it. That's why I'm asking you to listen carefully and tell me back. Repeat with me so that you will remember this next time. Okay, so I'm going to tell you 2 more words. In vowel sounds, we got 20 symbols and 20 sounds, just like this. And this is divided into 2. The first one is monophthongs. Okay? Monophthongs. Monophthongs. The right pronunciation is like this, but for you to understand this more clearly, I will say monophthong. Monophthong. That's not the right pronunciation, but you are used to that pronunciation, so I'm saying that. Right pronunciation is monophthong. Okay. Which means 1. Mono means 1. Okay.
Monophthong.
Like this. Monophthong. Roshan, don't worry. Okay, don't worry, we will learn it. This is the biggest problem for the boys actually when I'm dealing with this kind of adolescent age kids, students. The boys are having like shame like anything. They really don't like to accept it. Okay, but there is no chance here, Roshan baby. You have to learn it. This is mandatory. If you don't learn it, it's not going to work out. Okay. So Nabil also, and there is one boy, I forgot his name. Whatever. I'll find him later. Okay. Don't worry. You can make fun on me later, only after finishing the class. You just call your friends, everyone. Hey, that teacher, new teacher, accent reduction, blah, 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 blah. Say everything what you like. Okay, no problem. But in my class, during this 30 to 40 minutes, you must be my small babies and I will treat you like small babies only. All right? Okay. So this is the section for monophthongs, and this is called diphthongs. Okay, diphthongs. D-I-P-H-T-H-O-N-G-S. So for the TH sound, for this TH, we have a sound that is really funny and interesting. You will make fun on me like anything when I say it now. It is known as the sound, as in thank you. We don't have thank you. That is wrong pronunciation. You just open any English channel and watch any English movie. James Bond and all will never say thank you. They say thank you. Clear? So that's the difference in the sound and the alphabet. A sound is different from the alphabet. So when I say monophthong and diphthong, you may feel fun, but you have to learn it. All right. So we got two sections here. Yeah, somebody's trying to say this there. So I'm supposed to finish class now because we are now at 8:14. We got one more minute. So I hope you learned something today. They are, I talk about today International Phonetic Alphabet. Huh? I was talking about this monophthong and diphthong. That's it, right? So 3 things you have learned. To make our study more easier and more clear, I want you to download an app from Google Play Store that is Sounds of English. Please make a note in your notebook, note it somewhere, and download it today itself. I think someone has downloaded already. Did you? No. Sounds of English.
What's the app's name?
Sorry?
One more time, can say the name.
Sounds of English. I will send the link to your WhatsApp group. I'll send the link, okay? So don't worry, I'll be sending the notes as well. So learn them, download it today itself or at least tomorrow at the earliest, okay? So till then, I know that you really liked this class. Am I right? See, look at Isha's face. Rachel and Nabil. So, unfortunately, you are grown up now. That's why. Otherwise, I would have shown you some pictures and I taught you in the proper way, just like I'm teaching the small students. But here, I don't have any other way. This is the style we have to learn. So, you may feel it boring in the initial session. You know, one thing, when I learned this, when I'm specialized in this one, I'm a British accent trainer. So, when I learned this and I came home after my classes, I practiced this at home. My mom and my sister-in-law used to rush from the kitchen to see what is happening in my room because they are listening to many unfamiliar noises from my room, like a, o, like that. Okay, so you're also going to go through certain sessions like that. You'll be encountering such issues. So don't worry. This is only for the first and few weeks only. Okay, initially. Later we will have good fun, good time. So I'm saying bye-bye for today. We'll see you next week. So come and join me in the next class. We'll have a good time together. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.